Hello. So today we're going to try and do some work on the insignia, see what we can get going on. So basically, symptoms of this car is it's trying to start and it's just not doing nothing. I don't know how long my battery's going to last because it ain't very great. But basically, I'll turn my ignition on. All my lights stay as they should. It's saying that it's out of diesel, it looks like, but I have put some diesel in it. So basically I've drained all the diesel out of this car because I thought it was a diesel issue. I thought someone had put petrol in it and that wasn't it. So yeah. Trying to start. As you can see, it's trying to start, but it just won't kick. If anyone's got any ideas, let me know. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to plug this on again. This is only a cheap one. This is about £15 or something. It's not very expensive, but it does normally give me some sort of indication. And I have plugged it on, but it didn't do anything. But I have given the car a tow since then, and in fairness, in fourth gear it just felt like it was a little slight kick, but nothing really nothing really happening. So after a bit of messing around, this is what I've got to come up. No cones, monitors. I don't know what monitors are. I'm going to have a look into that in a minute to see what that is. It says that there's one not ready though, so maybe that's something that's going to help me. So yeah, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to GTC look up. I don't know what this is. So what we've done is we've cracked the first injector pipe. I'm going to spin it over now, see if the diesel comes up through there. Right, give it a spin over, Logan. Right, hold it there. Coming out a little bit, but not a lot, is it? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the second one, see what happens, and then hopefully maybe there's a bit of air that needs to come out of the system. Right, go on, try it again. It is pushing a little bit of diesel out, but I don't know if that's meant to be high power, which I think is a high powered rail, so I don't really know. Gotta be so careful because he's in such an awkward place. Right, go on Logan, try that one. See, it's coming. It is coming up, but I'm not sure it should be coming up more powerful than that. I don't look at this last one. Oh, I'm a bit tight. Right, try that one, Logan. Right, turn the key off. So I've done a few tests on it now. and I've undone this one here as well, and there's barely any getting diesel coming up to that. So basically that ain't gonna, that's basically a high pressure rail, which should be pushing high pressure, so them ones high down there just should be coming out with a bit of force when they're not. So the solution for that can only be one of three things in my opinion. Could be worst case scenario injector pump, or the fuel pump, yeah, fuel injection pump. It's if you can see that I did clean it off. Not very good, is it? Yeah, that's a Bosch pump. Or it could be, I'm not sure if that's it or not, but it could be diesel filter or the pump that's back to the tank. So I'm going to have to try and eliminate them, so I'm going to put a direct feed to the injector pump from a can up here, put a pipe to that, and then spin it over, see if that pumps the diesel to the right pressure into there, and if that works, or I might have to put a pipe here with a direct feed with a pump. Yeah, that'll be fine, I can sort that. If that works, then I know it's the pump at the back of the car or the diesel filter. So yeah, that's my next plan. So that's all I'm going to do on that today. I'm going to come back to that tomorrow. Got to try and go to the garage and get some diesel, put in a can. Yeah, that's pretty much it really. My battery's gone flat, so I'm going to have to charge that up again. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.